The topic is media and democracy. Last class we come across with the topic of what is meant by media, how media played the role in public's life, what are all the ethics media have to follow. Now here we move on to the next topic, role of media in democracy. How the media played as their role in democracy. Media plays the backbone of democracy. For democracy, media is like a backbone, and in this democratic society, media is like driving force of public opinion. Media is like a driving force of public opinion. It looks like a vehicle which it passes their information through public. Media becomes very strong in democratic value. It becomes very strong in democratic value. Media helps the people to analyze and empower their power. And also it educates the voters to analyze and make sure that the government is transparent, and they are the responsibilities for and they are the responsible for every actions happening in our world. It educates the voters to analyze and make sure that the government is the only responsible for every actions. Media brings out the report and action of administrative government. Through this report, it helps the people in India can easily able to know day-to-day happenings around them. It will helps the citizen in cities Indian citizen can easily able to know what are all the action what are all the news and informations happening in their day to day life. By understanding the happenings in day to day life, they start to conduct the public debate, and the topic is based on current situation. Through this debate, we get a lot of various points about the same issue. Also, media reminds the public as what are all the unfulfilled promises remains in government. It will recollect the unfulfilled promises remains in government to people. Media gives the education to rural peoples. It will give the education to rural people. Not only in rural people, who are all get the information, collect the information through media. It will educate those people. Media noticed and watched every single actions of parliamentary democracy, and also it looks like watch day of democratic government. Media um, watched every single seconds of parliamentary democracy. Simply it looks like a watch day. Media couldn't collect the information alone, but it acts like a bridge between state and public. Mm, Media have to act as a bridge between state and public. A democracy without media is like a vehicle without wheel. How the vehicle couldn't move away without having its wheel, just it look a dummy vehicle. Likewise, um, democracy is like also nothing without the help of media. Democracy couldn't succeed in their way. Next one, we move on to the local media. What is mean by local media? Here, normally media in the sense they have to bring the informations and collect the report about national and international thing. Here, local media gives the importance for their surrounding areas. Local media give more importance for their surrounding area. And then conclusion. Not only in democratic government, media played an important role in information and technology world also. Not only in democratic government and also the government, media plays in various parts For example, like an information and technological world also. It brings out the information about all the issues. Every issue, every a single issue, it brings out the informations. The report given by media couldn't affect the society and also the people's life. The report given by media, it would like without affecting the society and also the people's life. Media have to share their views, free flow of information, free communication. Their communication will be free, in the sense their communication will be easily understand by the people. And expression, they have their expression, it will speak more than their words. Like, the media will play a crucial role. Media is a powerful tool. Media is a powerful tool and also the important instruments. Mass media made the world small and close to the public because it collect the information and report in various about the various place day to day happenings. It will come very close to the public. So mass media is called a world. Mass media is made the world small and close to the public. Today's work, what are all the importance of local media? What are all the importance of local media? And then second one, in what ways does the media play an important role in a democracy? Here, I think your second term portion will be completed today itself. So please, children, you go through your topics daily for your examination. Prepare well for your exam. Hereafter, I go along with a revision. So please make it use of your examination. Thank you.